So over here, you can see that I'm already in a Zoom meeting. And while you're doing a meeting, what happens is that sometimes you want to share your screen. So for that, you have the sharing screen option right over here at the bottom. So you have the control as a host. So as a host, if you want to share the screen, simply click on share screen right over here. And here you can see that I can select different options just like this. So I can go over here, I can share my screen, my entire screen. So once I actually go over here, I can click on the screen I want to share. So you can see that I got two monitors connected. So I have the screen 1 and screen 2 visible. So if you want to share the second monitor, I can simply click on share and the monitor will be shared. And now whatever you do over here, so let's say for example, if I were to move this PowerPoint software over here, so this Word software, you can see the desktop. So what happens is that your viewer is able to see all of the screen right here. And to access the other controls while you're sharing screen, you go over here onto the top and you see all the options that you would see right over here, just like that. So let me just click on stop sharing and stop the screen sharing process just like that. So over here in the share screen, you can see that I have other options as well. So the default screen sharing options is good if you want to share a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document and so forth right over here. But you can also limit your screen sharing to a particular application, for example, like PowerPoint right over here, and then click on share. So what is happening is that you can see that there's a green outline over here in the PowerPoint document, just like that. And what happens is that if you were to resize it, you want to show it, whatever other documents you have, they are not shared out. So what happens is that only PowerPoint is shared out. So you can continue to work on Word document and that will not be shared to the other participants just like that. So you can simply share a particular screen if you want to as well. So let me just click on stop share. Let's see the other options as well. So let me just click on screen share again. And over here, the screen share option that we worked around with is useful if you want to share out PowerPoint slides and Word document. But if you want to share out video or if you want to play out a video clip, you can go over here and you'll have to check this out. You have to click on share computer sound and optimize screen for sharing for video clips. And if you were to click on this, it only shares the computer sound right over there. But if you were to click on this, it optimizes the screen so that a faster frame rate is sent. That means the video will play out smoothly. So this is not good for, however, Word and document sharing because the video shared won't be that sharp because it'll be utilized for the video clip sharing. So once you click this and click share, then you can play out any video. It'll be very, very smooth, and it'll also share out your computer audio. So let me just click on stop share again. Let's see the other screen sharing option as well. So besides that, we also have the whiteboard setting right here. So if I were to click on whiteboard just like that and click on share, a whiteboard will appear. So we're going to see about how we can work around with the whiteboard right here in later lessons. So there are other options as you can see as well. So you can just draw around. And the cool thing about whiteboard is that other participants are also able to draw out on the whiteboard. So let me just close this out just like that, stop the share, and let's see the other sharing options again. So if I were to click here, you can also plug in your iPhone or iPad and share the screen like that as well. Besides that, what you have is you have the advanced tab. So what you can do is you can also share a portion of the screen. So you can click on a portion of the screen and then click on share. So you can see that only this portion of the screen is being shared now. So you can move in the document over here and that will be shared to the participants. So that's another way of sharing screen just like that. If you want to share just the computer audio, then you can say music or computer sound only and share it out. So what happens is that only the computer audio is shared now. So whatever audio you play, that will be shared out to the audience. So the other options, so you can stop sharing just like that. So other options you have is you can share the content from a second camera as well. So if you have multiple cameras plugged in, then you can click on share and you'll be able to choose the camera, like different camera. You can switch the camera right over here just like that and share it out. So I'm just going to stop sharing just like that over here. So these are the different sharing options. You can also share files, but this is something we're going to see in further lessons. So these are all of the sharing options you have, as you can see. So different ways to share your screen just like that. So the other thing that you can do is if you're a host, you can control the sharing settings. So right now, you can always share the screen if you're a host, but if you want the participants to share, you've got to enable the sharing options right over here. So under the share screen, you can see that right now it's set to one participant can share at a time. So your participant can share, or if you want everyone to share at the same time, you can click on multiple participants can share simultaneously. You can simply click on this option right here and all of them will be able to share the screen just like that. You can also go to advanced sharing options, and here you can set the option to one participant can share at a time, meaning that when one person is sharing, the other people, they cannot share it out. So you can select that out as well, or you can select multiple participants can share simultaneously as well. So you can do that as well. So multiple participants can share. But when you enable like one participant can share at a time, who can share, you can disable the sharing option of a participant by clicking on only host, that is only you can share, or you can click on all participants and they all will be able to share. It also says who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. So only the host can start sharing at the moment, but if any other participant are allowed to share while someone else is sharing, then you can simply enable all participant as well. But this does terminate the other sharing windows, so you really want to make sure that this is only checked on if everyone is okay with it. So these are some of the sharing options in Zoom meeting, but you can see that there's a lot of them and lots of different ways to share. You can share videos, you can share PowerPoint slides, you can share particular applications and so forth. So that is how you can share your screen, and those are the screen sharing options inside a Zoom meeting. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.